Okay, welcome back to Feed the Love, where we believe that food is a love language. Today, Austin is going to be learning how to pickle carrots.
Hi.
Washed his carrots. So the next thing you need to do is make a brine. Traditional brines have salt in them, but we're not going to do that because vinegar already has what we need in there. The key to pickling is to have it below 4 pH. The vinegar is already going to do that. So to do our mix, we're going to do 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to shake the apple cider vinegar so the mother is there. That's all those probiotics. To 2 cups of white distilled, which has been boiled, has no probiotics left whatsoever. That's why people use it to clean. So it's 1 cup apple cider vinegar shaken to 2 cups distilled vinegar. And then we're going to put our spices in these jars first. Then we're going to put our carrots in. And then we're going to put a lemon slice on top, because what that does is that prevents the carrots from floating up out of the liquid. It's the liquid that preserves them and keeps them safe. Lemons are already at pH below 4, so they're not going to rot or mildew or mold or fungus or anything like that. They're her little wax barrier that you probably saw in your grandmother's canning. So we're going to end up with this beautiful probiotic pickled carrot.
Can they see what we're doing?
They can see what we're doing. Yeah, jars.
All of this?
They can see.
Really?
They can see from the very corner of that cutting
They can
board.
see all of that? Okay.
Yeah, and they
That
can see the
works.
top of your head.
That works.
Yep.
Okay.
First
thing
thing,
this out here, don't you use like scissors or something?
you can use scissors if you want.
Things like stuck in No.
You hate vinegar?
You love it.
Apple cider vinegar.
I love apple cider vinegar. It's what you had earlier with the carrots.
Yeah.
You don't
Like
like
when I do shots of it?
Well, but did you like the carrots?
Yeah.
So the carrots are the same probiotic.
I thought you used regular vinegar. Those apple cider vinegar?
So it's 1 cup apple cider with 2 cups regular, and then I put the spices in there, and that's what flavored those carrots. Yeah.
Now I'm watching
So we do a cup of this.
A cup of the apple cider vinegar. Always shake it before you pour the. Because this stuff here, that's the mother. Those are all the probiotics.
This is the mother. Mother.
I thought you already had a mother.
This is the mother, guys. You gotta
Doesn't it ruin
shake
that
it up.
allergy if you drink it?
Yes, so like a shot a day of vinegar is fine. But yes, if you eat a lot of citrus, a lot of vinegar, it can eat away the enamel of your teeth. We are human beings, like we're living creatures. Our body will restore some, but people who, like, for example, they'll gargle with hydrogen peroxide. It's basic and it actually helps your teeth.
Yeah. Interesting. Mother. This is the mother.
This is the mother. The mother load. Oh, it's not gonna
Watch
explode,
him
is
work.
it?
Oh, God.
It's probiotic, so it's going to bubble and fizz the same way the jar did.
As long as it don't explode, we're
It's
good.
not going to explode.
It's not gonna explode, guys. Don't worry.
It's a funny lesson.
Here we go.
Look at him work.
Look, I'm doing something.
Just so you know, that's not a full cup, but that's fine. You're doing
A little bit more.
1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 parts distilled vinegar.
We just eyeball it, guys. We don't even know what we're doing here. We eyeball it.
That's why you use all
We
vinegar
don't-
with vinegar. It's all pH.
We make our
How
rules
come
around
you need to
here.
be precise with all those carrots?
It's good.
We make our own rules
Because
around here.
the other vinegar solves that problem.
Who follows rules? Not me, obviously. All right, we're gonna eyeball it again.
2 full cups of that.
2?
2 parts of that to 1 part
Is that it?
apple
Is
cider.
that
More.
good?
I think
More?
more.
So
More?
that should be full all the way to the brim.
Like that?
To the brim.
Yes.
So it's got to be to the brim, guys.
That's why the brim is there.
All the way to the brim. Don't forget that.
Oh boy.
Okay, hold on. Woo.
To the brim. Keep
This
it
should be
going.
relaxing, but this is very
It's so
stressful.
stressful. I see you shaking. Keep going. We need more.
I'm shaking.
So step 1 is clean the carrots. Step 2 is make the brine.
Okay.
Now we're going to put the spices that he wants to flavor the carrots with into the jars.
All right. Oh, into it?
Not this. Spices.
Dill.
Into the jars.
Dill. How much?
Well, what do you? First off, you have to have enough for all 4 jars. But what do you
Go the
think we should use?
ancestors.
Let's just do like a pinch.
Okay.
Let's do a pinch.
More than a pinch.
Like it?
You know, you need to be liberal with dried
I was
herbs.
saying, where's the flavor?
Yeah, there you go. Look at that.
So don't be stingy with.
Don't be
Don't be
stingy.
stingy.
Be generous.
Go all in. Go all in.
Yeah. So you're not using salt. Use your herbs to flavor your food.
I mean, the vinegar itself. Sorry.
Vinegar's gonna do. Yeah.
It's already
it's
salt,
great.
so you don't need no more salt. Woo.
Vinegar's not salt. There's salt in it, but it's not
You're
salt.
nervous. I can see you're shaking the
Blood pressure.
Well, he's
Going
also
up.
had twice the daily allotment of vitamin B.
I have had twice shots B12, so
Makes sense.
I'm getting there.
Mustard seeds.
Faith of a mustard seed.
He can do all things.
He can do all things. Don't be stingy with these either,
know.
because we need as much faith as we. Ooh,
I mean, all we can get.
I'll take it right now. More. More. Why are you quiet now?
You know,
Because we're
making me
having
nervous.
the what's the is it the ASMR where you just listen to the
I love that.
Yeah, yeah,
We
yeah.
should here. Let's do this.
Yeah.
The
Except the camera's on the other side. So now you're gonna get a slice of ginger, and you want like a fairly big slice of ginger, and you're gonna put it down on top of those herbs, and that's gonna keep those herbs from floating up and out.
Wow. He's cooking, y'all. He's cooking. Oh my
What do I do with
goodness.
that?
That's the lemon. It's exactly what it was doing over there. It's doing here.
Get out of there. Get out of my way. Out of my way.
Strong.
Pickled.
You want all
pickled
this? All of this?
You want a good wide piece.
A wide piece. Oh,
Yeah, yeah. So what that's doing is it's putting all the herbs below that, so it's holding that down while the carrots are on it, so all the mustard seeds and stuff don't
Get
all
the
float to
wide
top.
pieces.
Yeah.
Not the little
So all you
ones.
need is one piece in each jar.
We need the wide.
Throw as much in
ones.
there as you want. It's flavor.
These
It's
are
ginger.
these are the only big ones. Can't find
Nice.
any more. You work with what you got.
You work with what you got.
Yep.
You're just gonna.
Be stingy.
Be
Have
stingy.
some more.
Okay, now what do we do?
You're putting this on top of those herbs. It'll hold them in place, be like a platform for the carrots.
So we just need to plop it right there.
Plop them in.
Well. Okay.
Maybe a lot.
Plop them in there. Hopefully they don't flop out.
I feel like you have to make a layer, not just one.
I know.
You can.
I need like more than that.
Do it.
There's like,
Ginger is never a bad thing.
These aren't very big pieces. Oh,
Because
this
it
one's
ran
big
through the
piece.
food processor, not through manual.
Oh,
Okay, alright.
Good.
Let me see.
it's so fresh.
See, that one's a big one. Yeah.
Let's see here.
This is that I bought a thing of organic ginger. I'm like, oh, now I gotta process.
Yeah.
all
You
of
need
it.
you needed to have done the elephant ginger.
Is there elephant ginger?
What was it? Yeah.
Elephant garlic.
The, ele-
Garlic is a very different flavor from ginger.
the elephant garlic, not ginger. Don't try Googling that. It's not a real
Try this
thing.
at home, guys.
It's not a real thing. Don't do it.
The world is a big place. There may be elephant ginger.
Never a short supply of ginger.
Gosh.
Always need it. Okay. Am I doing this right?
Yeah, you're doing exactly right.
Okay.
Keep having fun with it.
Okay. I'm just gonna
There's no meat in this meal. We're gonna pickle it, so we're gonna preserve it. Everything's fresh food, edible,
make it
raw.
make it
or
pretty.
pickled. So have fun.
Yeah.
Look at all these tiny pieces.
That may have been the end of the bowl for that jar.
Okay. Well,
All good?
do I need to do more? Or is
Just
that
put the
good?
lemons back on and seal it up for me.
Okay. We're good.
Eat.
The lemons like keep it from going
Keep it
bad.
The lemons so the lemons are acidic, so they sit on top. That way you want the fluid level up to that.
Oh, okay.
And then I have one slice of red beet in the bottom. That's what makes the pink color. So everybody that thinks pickled ginger is pink, it's not.
Oh, I thought it was. Okay.
It's not.
I beat that there.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
What do we do with the lemons?
So lemons are the last thing that go in. Now you need to cut up your carrots.
Oh no.
The hard part.
Hard part. And we can fast forward through this, or we can watch antics. We're gonna see what happens. So you want to take off anything it's not what you would want to eat, like the ends, yeah. And then these are going to need to be small, like put the knife. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Feed the Love, the channel where we believe that food is a love language. So today I'm giving you a real quick sneak peek. This is the kitchen behind me where you see me cooking all the time. And then behind that is the living room. This is my house, guys. People wanted to know what it was behind where I'm cooking. This is it. Full kitchen, got some stuff on the stove, got dishes drying, and you guys all know the dining area. Have a great day. Welcome to Feed the Love. Please watch, subscribe, let us know your thoughts, ideas. We would love to hear what recipes you want to see. Thanks. Have a great day. Continue watching the next video.